Hello, sir.
Do us a favour, what's your first name?
My name?
Yep.
My name is Mr. Taylor.
Mr. Taylor, turn your torch off for us, please. It's quite bright.
I'll keep that low there, that's fine.
Mr. Taylor, do you know it's an offence to record a police officer? It's an offence without my
So what is your name and what is your number?
It's an offence to record a police officer.
Excuse me, what is your name and your number?
Mr. Taylor, am I explaining to you?
Excuse me, did you not hear me? What is your name and your number? Are you acting under oath today, sir?
Mr.
Are
Taylor,
you here under oath, officer?
Mr. Taylor, let us explain.
Answer one question, please, sir, before we continue. Are you under oath today?
It is an offence to record
I
a police
take it,
officer.
I accept and understand your oath of office. Are you acting under that today to protect the people, sir?
Mr. Taylor, please.
You're not answering my question.
Mr. Taylor,
I take it then that you are not acting under your oath today, therefore you are not here to protect my common given law right, okay? To call the police whenever I feel fit as peacekeepers. Do you understand?
Mr. Taylor, please let me explain. That is an offence to record
Before you explain anything, you must divulge to me that you are under oath. Are you, sir, under oath?
I don't have to divulge that.
You do, sir.
I don't.
You do. For me to accept.
You understand that I'm a police constable in uniform, therefore I'm performing my duties as a police
Your uniform
constable.
doesn't give you anything. It's the oath that you gave and your warrant card that you display under that oath that I respect to, sir. So you respect to me as a common person, all right, a common, excuse me, a human being with common given rights of law, okay, to act on my behalf. If you don't, then you'll be acting out of office, okay? Therefore, you do not act as a common law peacekeeper, peace officer, all right, or policeman. You are an officer. Therefore, you're just enforcing exactly the same as these gentlemen, all right, statutory laws that you feel that you can, that they feel they can put any which way they can, and they have wrongfully put on my vehicle. Is that understood? Can you? Is that acceptable?
Mr. Taylor, it's an offence to record a police officer whilst in uniform without my permission to do so.
It's absolutely not, sir. Don't talk ridiculous. It is not.
It is.
It is not. Am I under arrest then?
No, you're not under arrest.
Well, then why is it an offence then?
Because I don't make the laws, I just enforce them. So I'm asking you politely.
It's not a law. You just, that's not absolutely, I'm not going to stop recording.
If you could stop recording.
If you think if it's an offence.
And what was the purpose for you calling the police today?
Because these gentlemen here, especially this one here, has broken a common law against me in way of extortion. He has put a ticket on my vehicle in the expectation that I will accept the invitation to pay that without question. And it is unlawfully given because that bay is incorrectly marked to any statutory law that
that is a bylaw by Gateshead Council.
Yes?
Yes. So but
it's not correctly done, sir, and they know that.
That's nothing to do with the police, that's to do with Gateshead Council.
No,
and their
but when they put the ticket, when these have put I'm not appealing nothing because I don't accept.
You have a right to
No, I do not consent, sir. I do not consent. Now listen, this person, these people have enforced a ticket on my vehicle wrongfully. And that will be proven one way or another, whether I'm arrested or not.
And that's your right to appeal. That's your right to appeal.
No, it's got nothing to do with appealing.
And that's
I do not consent to it.
For the appeal process. Are you parked in this car park here, sir?
Yeah.
There's a sign on the entrance of the car park advising you.
Advise, exactly, sir. Advising me. It's a vision.
What the sections are that you've parked under. If you want to appeal that, you appeal it.
Right. So, as I hear it, you're upholding this gentleman's actions here. Is that what you're saying, officer?
Is it Mr. Taylor? Mr. Taylor?
Of the Taylor family, yes. So all you're doing is upholding this. All you're doing.
Conditions of parking advertised on that sign there. Once you park into here, you're
explaining to me, sir. Explain to me common law. The 3 common laws, sir. No, who are you looking for? You're looking for help in the van, are you?
I can't hear you, bro. I've got a second. Alright, 2 seconds.
You're not going to explain that to me. I take it. You've not given me that you're under oath. You've not offered me your act of oath today. Yes, you do, because I'm asking for it. As a member of the public under common law, I'm asking you to act on the oath. All you're doing is acting as an officer enforcing corporate statute laws such as those imposed on this car park. Is that not right?
Alright. It's alright, I'll speak to them, Glenn.
And furthermore, it's an offence to video an officer.
Do you want to take a seat in the car? And I'll get some details of it. Steve? Yeah. If you just want to steal in. Right, the car's locked, man. Do you want the key? And what was your name, sir?
Mr. Taylor.
What's your first name?
Darren of the Taylor family.
And your date of birth, Mr. Taylor, please.
I refuse to give any more information than that, sir.
And why have you contacted the police today?
Because I have been, my common law rights have been infringed by these people here, and I demand that you act upon it as an officer under oath, and you have not done so, have you, sir?
The Gateshead bylaws for parking are advertised on the sign.
That's nothing to do with my common laws. Do you understand that? It's nothing to do with my common laws.
Issuing a parking ticket by an enforcement officer.
This I will prove to you that that is unlawful ticketing.
You don't have to prove it to me, so
well, ask them to prove it.
You need to prove it to Gateshead Council and not the police, sir.
No, you're not understanding what I'm saying. I will have to take these to court. I just go into their domain if I take on that situation. Do you understand that?
That's Gateshead Council bylaw.
So why not are you questioning these? Why are you not asking them the situation? Why are you not asking them
My colleague has.
Your colleague has when?
Just then.
They're free to go. Look, they're leaving over there. Yep. They're leaving.
No problem.
So you're allowing these people to leave, although they've issued a ticket on me and extortion of money in the hope that I will just pay the money.
And there's an appeal process for that.
I do not consent at all to it. Why should I appeal? I do not consent to the given right that I have to park in that bay, that I have to go through this process. No problem, sir. Do you understand what I'm saying, officer?
Thanks for your time, sir.
Do you know what your oath is, sir? Common laws, sir. You have to protect the people. It's our common laws. Think you're doing something good for the environment, do you? Or for the community? Or is it just the wage packet that you look forward to at the end of every month? Is that what justifies you, is it? All right, I'm not going to start. I'm with you. We are the people, yeah? All right, what about if I suggested this to you? That before we put these council buildings here and build them bigger and to make more money, that we actually cater for people. Isn't that what the council should do? Instead of putting these tickets on the vehicle and earning revenue as a corporation, shouldn't you be here to serve the people? To take care of their needs? Is that not what we pay you for? Is that not what the taxes are for? Your wages? How do you feel about that? Not bothered, are you, sir? Unconscious. You think this is going to improve people's quality of life? Encourage us to buy electric cars? To furthermore give you reason for taxing? You're no hero, sir. No hero.